Ever spent weeks wrestling with overlapping bookings, API sync nightmares, and databases that just won't play nice? This skill gives you battle tested API first architecture with REST, WebSocket support, conflict detection algorithms that handle time zone edge cases, database agnostic schemas for Postgres, MongoDB, or Redis, and a rules engine that enforces blackout dates down to the minute. Whether you're a full stack dev building SaaS tools, a backend engineer scaling enterprise systems, or a DevOps lead automating resource allocation, we've got your back. Spoiler, it doesn't include a coffee machine booking module yet. Here's what's inside the Building Booking Calendar System skill: a fully documented OpenAPI 3.0 spec with Swagger integration, real-time availability visualization using D3.js heat maps, ACID-compliant transaction wrappers for SQL databases, dynamic rate limiting based on booking velocity, and a rule engine that supports recurring reservations with exceptions. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Build production-ready booking systems faster than you can say, double booking disaster. Installing the Building Booking Calendar System skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-booking-calendar-system. That's it. You'll get the complete skill with expert level guidance, conflict detection logic in TypeScript, Python/Rust variants, and database schemas for SQL/NoSQL engines. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to implement time zone aware scheduling, handle race conditions with Redis locks, and generate booking analytics dashboards. Warning: may cause sudden urges to refactor legacy booking systems at 3 a.m.